We don't have that fog, we don't have that freezing mist, we don't have flakes of snow. Things are starting to dry up in the lower atmosphere just a bit, but we're still contending with some clouds out there, and the satellites showing a lot of that activity here moving in, and even upwind from us. It's not crystal clear skies that we're expecting as we close out our work week and head into the weekend. Here is a patch of clear that's working its way through, pressing into parts of northwest Minnesota right now. So you may briefly get some clearing skies, but we've missed that sunshine now with the setting sun, and a few areas still having some reduced visibility in that Cheyenne and James River Valley. Primarily. The rest of us, well, we're cloudy for the most part, but fairly quiet. Mild temperatures right now, 30 degrees. The warm spot for Breckenridge, Wahpeton, 23 in Langdon. A little cooler there. And 27s seem to be very popular in northwest and west central Minnesota. All right, your conditions out at Hector, it's 27. We have a 25-degree dew point, meaning we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, that relative humidity in the 90th percentile. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Here's the low clouds and the fog that remain with us. Notice Hutch's wind arrows here. As we set things into motion this evening, we'll have a little bit of a breeze, temperatures staying put where they are, and not much change overnight. Notice that drier air starts to push its way in from Canada, from the north. That's where the best chance at seeing some breaks in these clouds will be. Now, we head to bed thinking, okay, we got a chance to start the day out with some sun. Yeah, no, it looks pretty cloudy as we get going through the first part of the day. Light winds, temperatures 15 to 20 degrees for most of us. Now, don't worry. Look at the winds. They do pick up as we go through the midday hour. This is a warm front. As we have much warmer air out to the west, and heading towards the midday hours, we'll see some central North Dakota counties pushing 40 degrees already. As this warm air is blowing our way, it runs into the cooler air here, and it causes clouds along that warm front and ahead of it. And anywhere you see these white clouds here, we could see spits of freezing drizzle or snowflakes. It's not going to be heavy or widespread, but as we go through the afternoon, this is going to be pushing through Minnesota. There it is, showing up on our model a little bit. What we will notice here from our western counties is clearing skies. Temperatures are rising even into the late afternoon. 30 to 40 degrees out west. We'll enjoy a lot of 30s across Lakes Country as that warm front is expected to continue to push eastward. All in all, it'll be a little bit of sun, some much needed warmth, and quite a bit of wind as well, with these yellow arrows indicating gusts over 30 miles per hour. And Hutch says late at night, as we head to bed on our Saturday night, there's going to be even more wind with gusts 40 to even 50 miles per hour during the overnight hours into Sunday morning. And those winds are going to really keep temperatures very mild. In fact, maybe even rising into your Sunday morning. Fargo at a glance, well, your sunrise at almost 8 o'clock, as we'll see. Well, temperatures climbing out of the teens into the mid-20s already. Midday hour. Take a look at this. On our way up into the mid-30s. Here's a few slivers of sun here and there. We'll have a decent chance at seeing a sunset tomorrow night with temperatures in those mid-30s and maybe even rising to the upper 30s by your Sunday morning. Here's your hometown planner. It does look like the warmest weather will be in our westernmost counties. I think out there near Cleveland and Medina, a chance at near 40 degrees. But as we look off to the east, we'll have temperatures in the mid-30s. Don't forget about those midday spits of precipitous precipitation from those clouds in Minnesota. Well, our frosty scenes hopefully will be a thing of the past for now. But David, thank you so much for sharing your column photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast. And on the ground Gophers Day, it does look like we'll see temperatures around 42 degrees. Then in the afternoon and evening, temperatures start sinking pretty quickly. 20s expected for Monday, single-digit readings for Tuesday and Wednesday, near zero in the morning. So all in all, the growing pains I was speaking of, the hitches in the giddy-up, the wind that comes with the warmth this weekend.
2 more days and Phil is out of your hair.
What if we slid him over? Would that warm up those temperatures? Just a thought.
Keep thinking.
All right.